Hi everyone, Tyler here, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to slide cancel in Modern Warfare 3. Now, the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and go into a slide. To do this, we're going to need to be sprinting, and we'll just simply tap our crouch button to slide. That will allow us to slide, and we get a little bit of distance with that slide. Now, essentially what we're going to do is cancel the slide as we're in the middle of it. Now, to do that, we're simply just going to jump while we are sliding. So we'll go ahead and sprint, slide, and jump, and that pulls us right out of the slide. If you notice there, that slide was actually a little bit shorter than the regular slide because we canceled it. Just like that. Now, to actually go ahead and aim after that, we're just simply going to bring together the slide, the jump, and our ADS, or our aim down sights. So we'll sprint, slide, jump, and then aim. And that's how quickly you can go from sliding to canceling the slide back to your feet and aiming. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean so much to me. Thanks, and if you guys are interested in learning how to put yourself in tactical stance mode so you're able to actually go ahead and hold your gun at an angle and take shots, be sure and check out the other video that's linked right now.